Hello everybody, this is Vic. Hello interwebs and welcome to another video. Last time we spoke about opening and converting EPS and AI files in Linux. So sometimes, working with proprietary formats, it's best to convert them into PDF so that you can send them to whoever needs to see these files, whoever needs to view them. And since for my business I work a lot with AI and EPS files, this was a good skill for me to learn how to convert them into PDF. Okay, so if you go to that blog post, it covers the basics as to how to convert those files and the programs that you need and the tools that you need. Okay, so it even has a video walkthrough of me doing that, so just go to the website and figure out the basics. But now we've got a different problem. So same principle, but what if we have a folder full of EPS and AI files? If we were going to use the method that we had already discussed, that was going to take us a lot of time because we will be converting files one by one. So the beauty about using Linux is that you can create a bash script that can do the batch conversion for you automatically. So we can write up that script file, and the way that you write up a script file is pretty easy. So you just open up a text editor. My system is Linux Mint XFCE version 18.3, okay? And if you've never done this before, so you open up a blank text file, you type in your commands, and then you save as a .sh file, okay? Since we already have that file, we'll just open it up, okay? And this is what it is. So I will post these commands into the blog, or if you're looking at this on the video, then it'll be in the video description. Okay, so very simple, you just copy paste. All right, has some comments here to make sure that you installed what you needed installed. Okay, all right, well that's it. We'll close out of this. So if you created that file for the very first time, it won't run. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click on properties and you need to execute it and make it run as a program, or make it as an executable file. Okay, so if you did that for the first time, it won't have this box checked. So just check that box, click close, and that's fine. You should be good to go. But if that doesn't work, another way to do that is we'll open up a terminal here. So open terminal, okay? And what we'll do is we'll apply this command chmod +x to make it executable file, and I'll type in the file name. I'll press tab to autocomplete, and we should be good to go. Okay, so we'll run this file in this. So we want to do open terminal, right? Because we're going to be running this program inside this folder and running and applying the commands to the files in here. Okay. So the way that we run a script file is very simple. So / and then the name of the file. Okay, we'll run it and we'll see it generate the PDFs here. Look at that, automatic. So saves you time and money. All right, so this was the beginning of a file. This looks like all of our PDFs here. So that's it, we're done. Okay, let's just do a spot check. Yeah, that looks okay. Let's open up a couple of the images here. Yeah, that logo looks good, converted properly. We'll do one more, maybe this one. There we go. And there you have it. So, free of charge. I hope this helps you. I hope it irons out some of your headaches. If you can, just give this video a like, thumbs up, greatly appreciate it. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel. I've got some more content planned in the future. I will be doing a tutorial, a basics tutorial for Kdenlive. So definitely be on the lookout for that. But yes, give me some time to put that together for you. And hopefully, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.